I have decided to focus more of my time and energy towards explaining to you how you can pursue a career as a freelancer. So basically, if we can see the current environment and the things that have been going on with the virus spreading all across the world, and it is very important for people to stay at home and maintain social distancing. And while you're doing that, you might face a lot of trouble working from home. Some people are unemployed, they were previously searching for jobs, and others are now contemplating working from home permanently or for a while. Um, for the time being, just for the sake of making sure that they themselves and their families are safe and secure from all the issues that are going on around the world. So I thought about making a couple of more videos trying to guide people to start their career as freelancers online. So at a first glance, online jobs are not taken seriously by people because they think that they are a scam, or there are no such jobs that are going to pay them any money. But that is not the case. I honestly started in the same way when I was beginning my career as a freelancer, and it was around like 2013 when I realized that I should open an account on this great platform known as the freelancer.com. Initially, like everyone else, I also was skeptical and thinking that this might not work. And we have seen so many ads about women working from home, and they are really not going to be true. And several online people would send you mails that were not believable. But honestly speaking, I have really realized that this is actually something that is truly possible. So I've made this sample account while my actual account is doing quite well. For the past 3 or 4 years, I've been using it and earning a lot of money from it. And I would always want to share these things with people and just try to help and give back to the community actually, because I want everybody to feel relaxed and calm as they pursue their careers. So hopefully this will help you. So this is the basic overview of a freelancer .com page, and this is the dashboard where you see all your updates, all your activities that are going on. Right now I have 8 bids in this account. I'm just trying to guide you people and to let you understand the process of using this. And this is your profile. Basically, when you click this portion, you can go view your profile. You can manage your memberships if you want to ask for more bids so that you can bid on more jobs and increase your probability of being selected. According to my experience, if you bid like on 10 to 20 jobs per day and you're quite adamant and getting something, getting a job from an employer, then only it can happen. If you are just being lazy and lying around and thinking that the job will come to you, so I'm very sorry, that would not be the case. You have to give it all your time and effort. Like usually we go for other jobs, we apply for the job, we go for the interview. There's a lot of hassle that is involved in getting a proper job. Similarly, here it is not served to you on silver platter. You have to actually fight for it. You have to compete with people all across the world, and you have to write really convincing bids to get a particular job. So hopefully you'll be doing that, and I'll be taking you through a step-by-step journey along with me in helping you to develop all these skills and improve your chances of getting good jobs. So when you go to the um proper profile page, there you are able to edit it. You can change these things about it, and you can write a lot of information. You can verify your account. You can increase your chances of being hired by actually filling this page up with a lot of files. You can add files that you have written in the past, and you can add skills that you would like them to give you jobs related to those skills that you want. Like, for suppose you want to do research work. So all of these things are available, and these notifications are there for the latest jobs that have been posted. So you can just bid on the latest jobs, and then you have higher chances of being hired by those employers that are sitting online right now, and they are waiting for bids from nice freelancers. They actually don't prioritize the people that are new freelancers, so that is a bit of a uh, problem over here. But actually, once you develop your profile and you start making some money, then good reviews on your profile will start to appear, and your chances of getting a job will actually increase. So while bidding on a particular task, like create a report for case study, so they have given the details, they have given the assignment, you can open it, you can read them, and if you write a bid that is relevant enough, then you are going to probably get this task, and it will be very good for you. So you just write a very nice proposal over here, that I have reviewed your file and am willing to complete your job well within time duration. Uh, So this would be enough, or you can add a lot of lines about your past experiences, the skills that you hold, and then just place your bid. And this is how you just easily placed a bid. And now the client would be able to see your bid along with other people that have placed their bids, and you'll be reviewed and compared against all these qualified, experienced people. Like, see, this person has done around 1862 jobs over the years and have earned a lot of money. So you could do the same. This person is from Pakistan, this is from UK. Several people are there from different countries that are competing over here, and if you get selected, then what you have to do is to work really hard to satisfy your client. It is going to have a lot of freelancers place bids over there. So this is quite a healthy competition. Like, everybody is trying to give their best by writing very convincing proposals, and the client is able to review all these proposals and pick the right freelancer for their job. There are a lot of people that are just lame, lazy, and just pick up the work and do not submit quality work back. So that is problematic for the client actually. So they need to make sure that they pick the right freelancer at the right price, who can deliver quality work within the specified time duration. So all of these things really matter a lot. So you have to focus on these things while you place your bids, and this will actually increase your chances a lot. Thank you for now. I have given you an overview of this, and I'll be uploading more videos soon to guide you while you work from home. Take care. Thank you.